Hello, kids. Welcome to Little Star Learning and Playing channel. Hello, little learners. Today we are going to learn something very important in English. Articles. We use a, an, and the every single day. Let's learn them in a fun and easy way. Articles are small words that come before nouns. Nouns equal person, place, animal, thing. There are three articles: a, and, the. We use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound. Examples: a cat, a ball, a dog, a car, a girl, a tree. Fun trick: if the word starts with B, C, D, F, G or any consonant, we use a. Now, a short activity. Say a when I show a picture. Apple, not a apple. We will learn why soon. Cat, a cat. Bag, a bag. Great job.
When to use an. We use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Examples: an apple, an egg, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella. Fun trick: if the word starts with a, e, I, o, u, use an. Activity time! Say an if the word starts with a vowel sound. Insect, an insect egg, an egg. Hat, a hat, not an hat. Orange, an orange. Great job! Next we use the when we talk about a specific thing or something unique. We use the for things that are special or only one in the world. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth. We also use the when something is already known or when we talk about something specific. For example, the classroom, the teacher. Now, listen carefully. I saw a dog. This means any dog. The dog was brown. Now we know which dog. That is why we use the. Good job. Let's learn more together. Now, let's do a small activity. Choose the right article. Blank, sun. The answer is the sun. Blank, apple. The answer is an apple. Blank, cat. The answer is a cat. Now listen carefully. I saw a rainbow. This means any rainbow. The rainbow was colorful. Now we know which rainbow. Very good. You did a great job. Now, let's do a quick revision. Listen carefully. A is used before consonant sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. The is used for something special or specific. Now, let's see some examples. A book, an ice cream, the Taj Mahal, a pencil, an owl, the playground. Great job! You are learning very well. Now, it's time for a fun quiz. Tell the answer loudly. Elephant, an elephant. Girl, a girl. Moon, the moon. Orange, an orange. Table, a table. Sun, The sun. Igloo. An igloo. Park. The park. Ending. Great job, little stars! Now you know a, an, and the very well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn more fun English lessons. See you next time!